The first step was reverse engineering. We had to take the parts apart and then we separated them individually from the back, front, sides accordingly, and we put them in little plastic bags. After having the pieces all apart, we used PTC Creo and we measured all the parts with the caliper and we created the parts.
The first model that we made, and we cut out the bottom part because we thought it would be easier to assemble, but it turns out that the better way to do it was cutting it out in the assemble. So in the second attempt we left it just solid.
Okay, right now we're just cutting out the parts from the shell. We're just using the cutout command, and we are hiding the parts so we can notice if the cutout is coming through the shell, like in here.
This is the continuation of the cutout. As we can see, the tire has already been removed, the material, and we will be continuing removing the rest of the material needed for the shell.
So I did the seats. I implemented this little hole right here. We're gonna add that on the chases according to the right dimensions so it can assemble there where it belongs. Once it's already assembled, we will add more details to the seats, but for now we just added the basic rounds around the seats. So this is our final car assembly. It did change from the first and the second car's shell attempts. We did make the shape a little bit smaller, just because we do have a theory that the smaller the shape, the faster it will go. It's just a theory that we have. Also, we did use sweet blend. The sweet blend was used on the top to add the little curve on the top. We did add a little more details to the car in the front, as you can see, and in the back. We used chamfer on the top of the tire just so we can add a little more real car looking, and that was our goal to this car show attempt. To conclude our video, what we did this week for week 4, we concluded the cutouts on the chases. We assembled the car shell. We added more details on the car shell to give it a real car looking style. Therefore, our next step is to print our car shell ready to race. Therefore, this will conclude our video for week 4.